Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kathleen and I'm going to be showing you how to make these tiny treats, and these are called Mini Chocolate Muffins. So the ingredients I got 75 grams of butter, which I already melted. I got the butter which I melted, so I'm just going to put that in along with the milk, which I got 200 milliliters of milk. And also I've got the eggs, which I'm going to beat it along with the mixture. I got the wooden spoon which I can stir that in. I got this mixture which I can stir through this. I got another bowl which you can mix the flour and the cocoa powder. So I got some caster sugar, and that will be 100 grams. I got as well the plain flour, which is 250 grams. I got the baking powder, some salt and some cocoa powder, and to each of them I'm just going to have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, so which is this one. I'm just going to put this teaspoon of that, put that in. And I've got some cocoa powder, which you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of that. That's 3. That should be enough. I've got some salt which you can measure, which is a pinch of salt, and you can measure by the little measurement spoon like this, which is 1/4 teaspoon. Then we just put that in. and I'm just going to sieve it all in one bowl. If you feel like it's oven filling to the top, you could just use a spoon to level it off before you even sifting it through. I'm just giving it a safe burn before I mix it all. And to mention this too, all about the lumps. If you got lumps in your cocoa powder, you're just gonna scrape it in the sieve, just to sieve all of this. I'm just gonna mix all of this. I'm just gonna mix it all. So if you watch this, you will see the method of mixing it. Now I have got the dry ingredients mixed together, so I'm gonna put the dry to the wet, so it is combined together. So give it all a mix through. Now the batter's has mixed. Now I'm gonna show you how to put in the muffin tins, muffin cases. Now this is a cupcake tins full of cupcake cases. Now you're just gonna put in 2/3 full. This is a thing I should be doing. Now you're just gonna fill it in. It is 2/3 full. These are the cupcakes that should have been 2/3 full. Now I've got the oven preheated to 180. I'm just gonna leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. Now just gonna put these muffins in. Here we go. Now I showed you how to make the mini chocolate muffins, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you can comment on what you like about the muffins you made, so please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.